Hi, I'm at the Malkin Mindset weekend at Malkin Hostel. Here are all the Malkins. Say hi.
Parul is literally listening to our pain points.
I think it is rightly called Malkin Mindset. तो वो ड्रीम मेरा पूरा हो गया यहाँ पे आने से.
I have never experienced something like this before.
29 पागल लोगों से मिली हूँ in a very good way.
We are cuckoo. She's cuckoo.
Everybody knows Parul, the OG Parul, and I was following her from very long time. And one day the video just popped on my feed that she's organizing this Malkin Mindset.
Have a Malkin Mindset weekend where we spend 3 days together at the hostel.
So it was Saturday night. I think on Saturday night, Parul posted this. And I was just chilling after completing all my work. I was in my hometown and I was not dressed up at all. At 2 a.m. I was just scrolling and got to see this reel. And then I thought कि यार इसमें तो एक video बना के डालना है about the brand. So I'm sitting in a night suit, like looking like a homeless. How should I make a video? And इतनी रात को यार I'm tired working all day. तो video कैसे बनाऊँ? So I thought let's do something creative. So I have this AI agency. So I thought let's make my avatar and then create the entire video.
I saw she's coming up with a very good concept where I can meet like-minded females like me.
I was like, this sounds like an amazing opportunity to learn from the Malkin herself.
First day where I have one-on-ones with you, understanding what business you do and what kind of content you would like to create. We sit all together on second day where I create content for you and with you because it's all about becoming a Malkin this weekend.
And I immediately registered for it. I was super excited.
Instantly I apply for this because I just wanted to come here and meet such amazing people here.
We are going to select 30 such businesses, 30 Malkins who will come and stay with me. Stunning, I love it. Did you get one for me?
We had a one-on-one session with Parul and it was amazing. She told me how I can present my products better.
Why don't you call this collection Chatpati Summer Collection? Just like make it Chatpati. People are loving Indian words right now.
I was really finding this one hook for my brand and I think I found that.
You'll be interested in this or probably wear the bathrobe and the hair towel there and stand. You'll be the one that'll get captured the first.
Right, that's
right?
a good idea.
कि hair towel और bathrobe में कोई खड़ा है कि what is going on?
Right, that's a good.
Hi, welcome.
Parul is literally listening to our pain points in a very attentive manner. This is, I want to put it on Blinkit.
You can. इसकी reel बनाते
And
हैं.
she is actually working on how we can scale our homegrown brands into a larger scale.
Because we saw that 65% of the Indians do not use sunscreen at all, right? So we thought, yeah, दिन में एक बार ना तो लेंगे, right?
That is smart.
Yeah. People are having full of energy, like no sun can stop them. They are like out sweating.
The efforts Parul is doing, like, just helping 30 brands to build their business for 3 days is like incredible.
It's very, very exciting for me that I got to meet Parul Gulati. She's a big OG for us.
She's so sweet.
It's like a set, like it has fans.
I love it.
This, if you will scan on Spotify, your song will play the Malkin song Keychain.
6:30 a.m. Nisha time. Literally.
What if I tell you this entire video you have been watching? This is not actually me. This is my AI avatar. I created her in less than 10 minutes. Like, are you understanding? Are you seeing the power of Adza AI Studios here?
Yeah, you were one of our favorites.
Thank you.
Crazy.
I met Parul and she's like such a grounded person. After taking like my number was 24. 24 के बाद भी she was so energetic.
Congratulations, girl. So proud of you.
It was like, how is that even possible? Because I was also kind of drowsy, but at the end of the day, she was fresh as like anything.
And I want to scale it to that level that मैं Zara H&M को इंडिया से भगा दूँ. That's my vision in mind.
फोटो वीडियोस ऑफ मलमल कैसे करते हैं, जैसे तोरानी कैसे करता है, राइट?
I'm a person who always seek to learn. So coming here, my major motto was to learn from Parul and her team.
वो ताकि उन पे कपड़े अच्छे लगे और कुछ अपने यूनिक पीसेस जो आपके देखते ही लोग कहें कि ये तो पिंक वार्डरोब का है, राइट? तो वो पहन के अगर कुछ शूट्स हो जाए, कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स हो जाए,
So that really helped me.
स्क्रिप्टी मत बनाना, but make it like, wow, this feels so, wow, the papaya is feeling so nice on
How
my
you're
face.
feeling when you apply, because I apply it daily, so I know how it feels, so I can...
No, I want you to say, wow, this fruitful papaya Paps cleansing balm is feeling so nice. Like, mockery of the ad, it has to be. It doesn't have to be an ad.
Okay.
Or it does not have to be a feeling. Feeling you still can't sell. This went viral.
Yeah. I think it is rightly called Malkin mindset, because you can build anything, but without the mindset, you can't reach where you want to reach.
Oh, it has my name written. It has Miss Gulati.
Through this experience, I am seeking to get more visibility for my brand, and I want Parul, who's already into business from so long, I want her to guide me what all things I can do, what all changes I can make to solve those problems.
Butterfly motif is a very significant motif for Bengalis.
Yeah.
In wedding we use butterfly. Comes like this.
Stunning.
And she sat with us one-on-one and discussed our brand in detail. She asked us everything about our brand.
Damn, these are very
These
pretty.
look very pretty when you wear them.
Yeah.
She's showing interest in each and every brand over here and shooting content for everyone, which is helpful for all of us.
All of you, what you guys are building, what you've built, and I'm really excited to be here. I'm excited for tomorrow.
I'm super grateful for this opportunity, and I'm also excited and nervous.
It's really fun to be with 30 women who are trying to build and create so much content together.
The name exercise I wanted to do with everybody. That's very easy. Do you guys know each other's names right now? Few. Okay. So this is a very easy exercise. Actually, let's start with that. This will warm us up. Like for example, I'll say I'm Parul. He'll say I'm Roshan. Then he'll say Parul, Roshan. Then Parul, Roshan, Sanjana. Parul, Roshan, Sanjana, Pallabi. Right? So Parul, Roshan, Sanjana, Pallabi. Pallabi?
It's amazing, it's great, the energy is very nice. I've met so many wonderful women.
Maya is easy now. Milni ke baad Maya they found.
And the conversations are flowing so naturally that it does not even look like something that we are strangers and we're meeting for the first time.
Once, so yeah, I will rent it and not buy it. It will burn my pockets also. Yes.
Day one was sleep deprived, and next day मैं 29 पागल लोगों से मिली हूँ in a very good way. Everybody is just content fanatic. All have penchant for content creation. So many cool D2C founders, all women. And जब से मैं यहाँ आई हूँ, I am on steroids.
When I see like the Malkins who have like different products, how they're marketing it, what unique they're doing in that. So it gives me an inspiration. So yeah, like taking some inspiration about colors and designs and implementing the same thing into my decor is giving me a new way to bring fresh ideas into House of Iksha.
I'm wearing Pallavi's story. You may think it's a blazer, but yeah, that too. I'll let her do the talking, and then you speak about what it is, what this is, what that is, and I'm like, don't you love it?
And with Parul herself guiding you, she's sitting with us and with each one of us and telling us how can we solve the problems.
In every household in Odisha, drawn on the floor before sunrise, within the boundary,
which I think is rare, and I'm really happy that I can join this, and I'm really enjoying it, taking one step at a time.
I'm really
इतने सारे लोग 30 वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर, उनकी जर्नी, उनकी आइडियाज़ और या ऑफ कोर्स पारुल मैम. So I am here for learning from her, like how to create and how to like establish your own brand in a whole market.
Being surrounded by women, it's like they understand you, they understand your issues, they understand you emotionally, mentally. So I am feeling so empowered coming here, and since I am a service girly, I'm collaborating with a lot of people with their brands, like wearing their dresses, wearing their jewelry. Right now also मैं जाने वाली हूँ 2-3 लोगों के dresses पहने. I'm loving it because since I was very small, I was a child, I had this thing in me like I want to become a model or an actress. But due to like the circle of life, I became an entrepreneur. And right now I'm experiencing this thing of being a model for some brand. This is giving me chill.
I was actually looking forward to have a lot of fun here and to understand and learn a lot with what businesses, what are the problems they are facing, because as a business owner, when I'm facing a few problems, so when I correlate with them, I get solutions. I give my problems, they give me solutions, they give problems, we give solutions. So it's a community where you're meeting and you're sharing across a lot of views.
Guys, I made this lip color in my lip color making workshop.
The energy over here is very, very positive, and everyone is so energetic, fun, and it's new to me. Like I have never experienced something like this before.
मेरा वाला थोड़ा सा mix कर दो.
कर दो.
अपनी दुकान है अब तो. You try this.
Just put it on your nose. I think this is happening for the first time ever in India. I don't think creators meet like this and shoot so much of content in 2-3 days.
I am actually feeling very blessed being with such beautiful 30 entrepreneurial women, and especially Parul ma'am. I've met the most generous person till date.
Being from a design background, I had no knowledge about business. So I have met so many founders who have business since like last 12-13 years. So I got a lot of learning from them.
Speak about the product. This is very cool product I've found out. It's this. ये ऐसे इसका multi-way use मैं बता दूँगी. इसको ऐसे पहन सकते हैं, ऐसे detach कर सकते हैं. And it's created by Neelu. She's right here and she will explain to you. And literally, we'll make it just explanatory.
मतलब यहाँ से तो बहुत कुछ सीखने को ही मिला है कि मैम की जो मार्केटिंग जो मैम कर रहे हैं, अपनी खुद के प्रोडक्ट की भी बहुत अच्छी मार्केटिंग करते हैं मैम. यहाँ पे आके मुझे मार्केटिंग का भी पता चला कि कैसे करनी है.
भी बना सकते हो, क्रॉप टॉप भी बना सकते हो और लॉन्ग ड्रेस भी बना सकते हो. तो आप खोल के दिखाओ अभी इन्हें. इसको क्रॉप टॉप बनाएंगे अभी हम.
एंड यहाँ पे आने का मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा ड्रीम था कि मैं मैम से मिलूँ, मैम मेरी ड्रेस को पहने. तो वो ड्रीम मेरा पूरा हो गया यहाँ पे आने से. और यहाँ पे आके मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा उसकी तारीफ़ भी करी और मेरा प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा वर्क भी कर रहा है इसके साथ साथ.
It's day 3 and it's been absolute roller coaster. We all have such different personalities, such different tastes, such different takes on everything that we are doing.
Like people would like to see me prepare for Havan, and as a visual it'll look nice, and then you can talk about the key features of this also, key selling points, which is like, it's metal, this is designed for this thing, and I love it, and that conversation, and we are preparing for Havan at the Malkin Hostel is the title of the video.
And obviously Parul is an amazing inspiration. She is so raw that you just feel pulled towards her.
Yay! Finally uploaded the reel.
Today I'm living with myself. I guess I've unleashed all my talents which were all hidden for last few years. I have been dancing, I've been chilling, I've been creating content. I've been modeling for everyone, from a swimwear brand to a jewelry brand to a designer couture brand. So I guess I've unleashed myself. That's the biggest thing.